My name is Muhammad Shukri Babulaka daripada Diploma Elektronik FKKK. This is my prototype final year project vending machine control stock system. This is Arduino and this is ultrasonic sensor, and this is my vending machine, and behind the vending machine have variable resistor to control the power of motor vending machine. Okay, I give information for blink. The motor system can move the ring at vending machine to move the object. For the step, you give information first. The ultrasonic sensor can detect object inside this vending machine and give information for the Arduino. Arduino can send information to apps Blink. This app, distance and LCD. LCD ni can represent status of stock and to give information for on the vending machine. And yeah, this is my final year project for vending machine control stock system.